Well, hello there my babies, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so then you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, you guys, I am so excited to talk about this product. It's insane and it's crazy because this is my first time ever trying anything in Pat McGrath's makeup line. So I'm kind of shocked, but you guys know my obsession with foundation is out of this world, so I had to grab and get my hands on this, okay? So if you are interested in watching this review, then go ahead and grab yourself a snack because it's going to be a long one. Get comfortable and let's get started. First thing is first, just ignore this hair, okay? Ignore this because I'm not done finessing with it, okay? So I decided to like start this video and then finesse it at the end of this video, you know, make it look nice or whatever. Because right now it looked like a boy cut hairstyle. It looks cute, so we're gonna play with it a little bit and, you know, get it together. You know how I do. You know. So today I will be reviewing the new Pat McGrath foundation. Now, like I said, I have never tried anything in Pat McGrath's makeup line, so today will be my first time trying anything on her makeup line. Now, to be honest, the reason why I don't is because, girl, sis be expensive. I know her products are probably bomb as heck, but she just over my budget, okay? She's just a little lower than prices, sis. Lower than prices, okay? Now this foundation launched a couple days ago. I was on vacation in New Jersey, so I went to one of the Sephora's there and got my foundation shade. At least one of the ladies helped me out get my shade. She was beautiful and she was a chocolate skin girl, so you know I trusted her. I trusted her, okay? Because her makeup looked flawless and she was rocking this foundation as well, so I knew she knew exactly what she was doing. So she matched me with this one, and this one is the shade Medium Deep 26. I'm so excited, y'all. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is so bougie. Like, it's not like bougie like bougie. It's like bougie like sipping a wine glass bougie, you know, drinking coffee with the pinky up bougie. This is what it is. Okay, so I just went to Sephora.com and I'm pulling up the details of this foundation, and I'm just gonna tell y'all a little bit about this foundation. Thank God it's not like a huge paragraph, because y'all, some of these foundations be having a whole paragraph. I'm like, girl, just be simple, be just straight to the point. And this one is so it's saying this foundation is a long wearing customizable foundation that builds from sheer to medium coverage in a wide range of universal hues that manifest the ultimate Sublime skin standard. Now this foundation, it says the coverage is medium and it leaves the it leaves the skin looking natural. So wow, it's right in my alley. It's right in my alley. I just love the fact that it looks like skin. That's my number one thing when it comes to foundation. I love the full coverage, but if we can get a foundation that kind of looks like skin, so it can look like a no makeup foundation, I'm definitely here for it. I'm definitely here for it. So one thing that I have to say that I really like about this foundation by far is the fact that this foundation, you can rock it with any skin type. So if you are normal, dry skin combination and oily, you can rock this foundation. So that is a hallelujah to all of us ladies. So another thing that she did come out with was primer, a foundation brush, and also a setting powder. I did not get my hands on any of those because A, they did not have it at Sephora. They only had the foundation, which I kind of found that a little weird. I was like, why would they have the foundation but not like the primer at Sephora? I don't know why. I wish they did, because I would have grabbed that primer and I would have grabbed that setting powder as well. So it's okay. If it does come to Sephora, any other Sephora than the one I live at, I would definitely grab my hands on that primer and setting powder. So for the primer, it looks beautiful. I'm looking at it right now. I definitely want to get my hands on it because it has a lot of skin benefits in it. And so that is always a plus, because you guys know I love skin products. I love testing out like primers and foundation and all that good stuff that just like makes the skin look more enhanced, beautiful, and all that good stuff, okay? So yeah, we're gonna get my hands on that later. Now I forgot to tell you guys, this foundation retails for, I even forgot. This foundation retails for $68. This is the most expensive foundation that I actually own in my collection now. I'm probably going to be rocking this foundation when I'm going to a really special event, because this is so expensive. Like, girl, girl, I had to grab it, but I was like, dang, this is so expensive. It's more pricier than NARS, okay? And that's a shocker because NARS is pretty pricey, but this one is hella pricey, and then with taxes it came up to like $72, 70 or $72, girl. Ooh, I was like, taxes just take my money, take my money. So for primer, I'm gonna grab my favorite primer that's gone pretty much, probably a little bit left, and this is the Too Faced Hangover face primer. I love this primer because it makes my foundation look so freaking amazing, and it makes my foundation last all day. So I'm just going to like pat this all over my face. So that is all set. My skin is prepped and ready for the foundation. I know you guys have been waiting on this foundation. I'm sorry, but you know, we gotta take care of the skin first, honey. We got to. So I'm just going to shake this foundation up because I always do this. I don't even know whether it says shake it or not, but we're gonna shake it. And I love the fact that this foundation has a pump to it. It's a tad bit runny, but I love that. So I'm gonna grab a brush so then I can get a little bit more of a full coverage look. Today's not a good day. Forgot to wash my brushes, so I'm going to just blend this in with a huge brush. Hopefully it's going to work. I'm going to just dot this all over my face. And like I said, I got shade match. So at Sephora, this foundation looked beautiful. Like, it looked amazing on like one side of my face. But I don't know how it's gonna look now when you come home. Sephora lights be just jacking you up. Like, they be lying. Them lights be just fooling you so then you can buy the product. So we're gonna see if this is it. So I'm gonna take this big old brush by MORPHE E1 brush and just blend this all in. This brush legit just got the job done. It's not even a foundation brush. It's a, what is this called? It's a setting brush for your powder. Ooh, wow, the shade is cute. I like the shade. She like matched me perfect. It looks really nice. Wow. Ooh, and the foundation looks really pretty. Just blend that all in. Wow. I mean, zing. This is so pretty. It's so lightweight. I mean, like, it literally feels like I have nothing on. It looks lightweight. It looks refreshing on the skin and so hydrating. And I know I prepped my skin before, so I really love the fact that I did that. But like, this foundation looks so pretty. I kind of wish I had like the primer and the setting powder, so then I'm able to like put that all together at once. But the shade is like really nice on me. So whoever you are who shaded me, I don't even remember her name, she did such a beautiful job because this looks so freaking flawless. I'm gonna grab a beauty blender and just like blend everything all in, suck up any excess, and also use the leftover because girl, we not wasting this foundation, no ma'am. Do y'all see this? It looks like skin. Like, I feel like it covers my problem areas, which I don't have like a lot, but I feel like if you have more acne on your face, I feel like this would not be able to cover extremely a lot. I just feel like this is such a lightweight foundation. It's like one of those no makeup look foundation that you can get away with, and it kind of looks like skin, which, you know, I kind of get where she's going. I think that's where she was going because this is not full coverage, you know. This can kind of look like my skin with just a tad bit of foundation, and girl, the way I caked up this face, it just doesn't look like I caked up this face at all, and I love that. I definitely feel like if you are that girl who does not wear foundation as much and you're looking for a foundation that is a little bit full coverage but not so much and not too in your face kind of foundation, I feel like this foundation will be perfect for you because even though I don't have much, you know, blemishes or acne scars, I do have a little bit like here, and it did kind of cover it. Yeah, it actually covered it, not did. It actually covered it pretty good. I do like that, but yo, if you're looking for a foundation like that, this will be the perfect fit for you. So it's very expensive, but Yeah, I love it. I think I'm gonna rock this weekend because I have somewhere very nice to go. So this foundation is definitely gonna come with me. But overall, this foundation looks very refreshed. It looks beautiful on the skin. It looks very natural. I'm definitely gonna have to say yes to this, especially for women who are mothers and always on the go, or work moms who are always on the go. This will be the perfect pick for you. It just looks very pretty, you know? Like, I feel like I don't even have to highlight. I am going to highlight, but I can get away with not highlighting and just set in the face and just going like this. I'm having like just like this, just setting it and being like this, and it would look like my skin but with just a tad bit of foundation, which I am definitely here for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the whole look, and I'll be right back with the whole beat, okay? So my loves, I am back to you guys with a full beat face. So yeah, I know some of y'all gonna ask me about this makeup look. Don't worry, I recorded this whole glam. It's going to be posted tomorrow, and this is the new Juvia's Place collaboration. I'm just loving this so far, but let's not talk about it. I don't want to spoil it for you guys, so make sure you tune in for the next video, which is gonna be up tomorrow. For the foundation though, I am so in love with it. I thought I was like kind of iffy. Like, I was like, dang, this is like really natural foundation. Like, I feel like it's not cakey at all, which that's good. But you know how, okay, for example, you guys know I love NARS luminous weightless foundation. Actually, any NARS foundation except the sheer glow. Sheer glow is very natural, but for the other two that are full coverage but yet it looks very dewy and hydrating, I love those ones. This one just looks very lightweight. It screams lightweight, but at the same time it looks like skin. So I really love that. So if you're looking for, like I keep saying, if you're looking for a foundation that is very lightweight, minimum, not so much of a lot of full coverage that makes you look cakey, I definitely feel like this will be the perfect foundation for you. But if you're looking for a foundation that you're trying to cover a lot of problem areas, you can kind of get away with this if you go ahead and set your face with a setting powder and all that stuff. I didn't set my face with a setting powder today. I let it just sit, and I set where I contoured, and that's about it. I didn't set with the setting powder, so because I wanted to really see how this foundation holds up without a setting powder. But overall, I love how everything looks. It just looks very natural, really refreshed, and yeah, I'm just excited to see how this foundation holds up throughout the day. Bitch, I love this. Girl, I love this. Okay, I love this. I don't just love it, I love this. Okay, it's so cute. I can't stop looking at my skin. I can't stop looking at my face. It looks so beat, but not like crazy beat. Let me get close so y'all can see. Like, I did go ahead and highlight a little bit. I didn't put too much. I was gonna go heavy, but I was like, let me just keep it natural so it's there. And remember, I've had this makeup on since 11:30 something. It's like 2 o'clock going to 3, so I took my time doing my eyeshadow and stuff like that, and I was listening to music, so I still have had this foundation for like good 3 hours, and it's holding up pretty good. So we're gonna see how it's gonna hold up throughout the day. So yeah, let's go ahead and just start my day, and I will see you guys in a couple hours. Maybe in a different camera, we'll see. I probably had lipstick the whole time I was talking to you guys. I hope I didn't. I really truly hope I did not have lipstick, because that's so annoying. Hey my loves, so it is midnight right now. I told you guys that I was supposed to come back with a review like at least until 8 p.m. I think I said 8 p.m. I don't even remember. Right now I'm so sleepy. I'm ready to wash my face, take this makeup off. But this foundation is incredible. It is beautiful. The one concern that I have to say, like, if you guys get a little bit up close, you guys can see. Okay, this camera is kind of messing up, and this is my vlogging camera, but you guys can see like my little problem areas picking through. So that is one thing I have to say. Like, if you have acne scars, acne or something like that that you want to cover up, I just feel like this foundation, in my opinion, for what I've experienced, I don't think it has that full coverage beat. I feel like this foundation is made for just a light wear, everyday wearable foundation. But anyways, so yeah, so I took the foundation brush and I just dabbed it all over my face twice throughout the day, just to take all of that like extra oil that usually I get around the nose and the forehead area. But nonetheless, this foundation is perfect. I will have to say, when I touch my face a lot, it does come out, like the foundation does get on my hands and stuff like that. But I don't think that does not bother me like that at all. It could be worse, but for this to be a $72 or $73 foundation, I don't even remember, but it's 70 something dollar foundation, I definitely feel like it's good, it's worth the coins. I have not yet found a foundation that's like this is on another level. So this foundation is a 10. It is Esther approved. Definitely give it a try. Get a sample first. Get a sample, see how you're gonna like it, because samples, they do give you like a good amount. You should be able to wear it for a couple days, so then you can test it on your skin, test it on yourself, see if it's something that you're really into, then buy the whole thing. Don't just go out and buy it right away and then, you know, take my opinion and you know, and use it. But I would definitely recommend you just get a sample. It's not gonna hurt you to get a sample and then buy the thing. But if you cannot get a sample because you're not, you know, with a Sephora that sells Pat McGrath, then damn girl, you're gonna have to spend your coins. You're gonna have to just take the risk and spend your coins and be like me and just wing it. But yeah, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was really quick because I know there's a lot of people already that have reviews. I just wanted to do this review because I bought this foundation. I wanted to do this review for a while, and yeah, I hope you guys get your hands on this foundation, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you did. As usual, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support as usual. Now Penasana, and I will for sure see you guys in my next upload. Bye. I'm just tired. I'm just tired. Look, I wish we can sleep without makeup on. Like, I just wish I could just go and just be like, I can just sleep. But I can't do that. That's disgusting. I'm not gonna do that. Like, I need to stop picking on my lashes. The little lashes that I do have. I need to stop doing this. This is like, this is bad. This is a sickness that I need to cure. Like, this is not okay.